There we go. Got a hole in the boat. Uh-oh. Putting that boy in there. Cut once, measure twice. So we put a hole in the box. Put the deucer in there first. I did a pilot hole first. I did my measurement. I took a tape measure there. Measured the kilo haul to there. And then went underneath, measured, I made sure I wasn't going into a bunk or anything like that. And then did that, put a pilot hole, first double check. Went underneath, looked, okay, we're good. We're not in a chime or anything. You can repair a little hole easier than a big hole like that. But we did our measurements and all that. And then we also, like I said, double checked that the hole saw that we're working with, that one is the right one for that transducer, which it is. Fits perfect. So that's it. We're gonna clean the dust off, get some 5200 fast cure, cake it on all around here, this lip here, put a nice fat bead, shove it up, hold it in place. You put the keel arrow pointing towards the keel, it's a 20-degree tilt, and then I take the nut as well. I put 52 all around here, get all nice and tight. I go underneath, I clean the bead up from underneath on this, and always, another thing, make sure you peel that sticker off when you're done. It says remove. And then what I do, once I get it all cleaned up, I even go back and take a bead of 52 and put it around this here. And then also I put another bead around here. I do not want these suckers leaking. I've done that for several years now, and I've never had one of these things leak or come loose like that. So 52 is your friend, especially with this guy and that big of a hole. There you have it, guys. Here's the finished product. See how I put 52 around the nut before I put it down, it squeezed out, and then I took even a little bit 52, went around this edge, and then like I said, what I do, so I know this nut's never going to back out, and also I got my big wrenches out and tighten it down as tight as I can, and then I go back and put a bead of 52 on top of the nut on that seam there. So that's how it does. And then crawl down one more time and show you what the final result looks from the bottom of the boat. Oh, there she is. No gaps, nice and flush. It's pointing the right way. 52's all cleaned up.